Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up your applications on the taskbar, like a Windows application taskbar. So all you just need to do is click on this file, look for all application, scroll to whatever application that you use frequently. Say for example, I want to use this. All you just need to do is put your cursor over it, right click, and you add to panel. And when you do that, you realize that the application comes to this side. So you see, when I break that, you can see the application here. And all you just need to do is right click, move, and it will allow you to move this application to wherever you want to place it, and you can just place it over. And you can do that for other applications, and that is how you set your applications on this task bar. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate that you like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you.